Hello friends, today I want to show you how you could fill a hole on the drywall. All you need is the spackling compound and a putty knife. I'm just going to do the easiest way with just my fingers, just like that. I mean, you can use the putty knife to do this, but I just feel comfortable doing it with my fingers. So I just take some spackling compound and just try to fill the hole that's on the wall and apply as much as you need, to cover the hole, and then make sure the hole is not visible. It's entirely covered, just like that. And then take your putty knife and clear off the excess. Just make sure it is smooth and let it dry, and you can sand it later on and then paint over it. That's all you need to do. Hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.